Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to make money on TikTok in 2022. I will show you some 7 different simple ways to make money through TikTok. TikTok has literally exploded onto the social media scene. Zhang Yiming, a 38 years old software engineer from China, initially founded the app's parent company ByteDance. He then rebranded into Douyin in China in December 2016. Note that TikTok US has received $1 billion in funding for its creator fund and has a value of over $50 billion. You would have to agree that creating content on TikTok is no longer a joke. You have an incredible opportunity to make a lot of money online with TikTok. You can create free live videos for a broad audience, encourage viewers to denote and make money from sponsorship with famous brands. Or you can promote your own brand and products. Now the matter is how to make money on TikToks. So let's start it. The first method is get paid through TikTok's Creator Fund. TikTok Creator Fund is TikTok's way of supporting and rewarding innovative creators on their platform. Like other platforms, TikTok Creator Fund does not depend on the advertising model. Instead, you find your fund amount grows along with your channels and content. And since content engagement on TikTok is dynamic and chances day after day, your fund will also change daily. You need to meet some requirements. Have a minimum of 10k authentic followers based in the US, UK, Germany, Italy, France and Spain. You also need a pro account to apply for the Creator Fund program. If you earn a payout, it will show up in your Creator Fund dashboard. However, for all these Rohana around the program, it does not help make TikTokers a great deal of money. Second method is receive donation for your live streams. As a creator, you can turn on live gifting while live streaming on TikTok, get awarded in real time, and cash your rewards through PayPal. Then you can find the coins in their setting balance recharge tab. The next step is to exchange these coins for virtual rewards. Note that only users age 18 or older can send or receive these rewards. Do not forget to give a shout out every time you receive a gift to connect with your audiences. If your fans feel appreciated for their gesture, they are likely to spread the word around, helping you boost up your popularity. The third method is partner with sponsorship and brands. Most brands contact creators through their agents, especially if the creator is already viral on TikTok. You drive awareness and attract customers for the brand by monitoring them or using their product in your videos. Unfortunately, there is no way for creators to search for brands where they can find suitable brands to collaborate with. There is only a brand-facing version available currently. Once you meet all of these requirements, you will get invited by TikTok to either join or apply. The fourth method is manage influencers. TikTok is one of the basic wiring platform for influencers. But not everyone want to be viral on their internet. You can be camera shy or simply aware of the security that is part and parcel of being famous. Scout influences in different niches. After you have done legalizing industry, it's time to scout influences in different niches. Luckily, you can scout influences from different niches using TikTok and such tools. The tools you discover different performers by their country, topic, niche, engagement rate, followers, count, every video views, etc. Expand your team. There is no reason for you to do everything yourself. If you think you can make your plan more efficiently than reaching out to brands and creators, just there's someone new to do that for you. Diversify your influence platform. One of the best things about building influence in digital marketing agency is that you do not have to stick a single platform. Brands seek relevant influencers and influencers promote their product or brand in return. Sell your own products on TikTok. You can generate revenue from your TikTok channel by creating indirect TikTok ads that sell merchandise or other products on the platform. Bringing your product on TikTok means tapping into a diverse audience consisting of Gen Zs and millennials predominantly. As when combined, these generations have the buying power of around $150 billion in US alone. Creating a UGC campaign is likely to inspire more just in your target audience than regular ads compelling them to buy your product. These platforms help you cover every part of the process including dropshipping, printing, manufacturing and more. The sixth method is grow and sell TikTok account. Flipping social media account is not a new way to make money. I would suggest you build your account around a specific theme as they are easier to sell. Brands or individuals seeking niche profile will naturally search for specific terms which might lead them to your page. And the seventh and the last method is launch your own music or artist career. If you want to showcase your talent and catch the eye of a credible talent agency, TikTok is a place to be. The social media platform can be a stepping stone to immense international fame and recognition. And not just that, her recently launched on 10 on the latest editions of New Music Friday and popularizing on Shopify. Now the sensitive matter is that how to grow your TikTok profile. The foremost step to earning big bucks from TikTok is by getting viral on the platform. Here's a quick review of the ways to get viral. Piggyback on trading hashtags, collaborate with the famous TikTok creators, stay consistent, focus on the video quality, use viral background music, create video tutorials. The importance of being authentic. Even though TikTok offers a lot of monetization opportunities, it's been engaging with one's audience by commenting on the videos, sending hearts, following the back active on TikTok every day. Now, TikTok is the hottest social media site right now, and everyone who wants to be famous is uploading there. Looking at a success stories coming out of the platform, it seems like a place for ordinary people to become overnight sensations. You can also be the next success story from the platform. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.